Now that we've controlled the color, let's do something with the typography. We will begin with the general impact of the type, followed by more specific styles where it needs to deviate from the general. This means we will once again use the body element first. In the CSS Designer panel, choose Body from the list under Selectors. Next to Properties, click on the plus sign. Type in Font Family. You can determine your own font stack. Type Georgia, Times New Roman, Times and Serif. We also want to change the default color of the type from black to a light green. This you do by typing in the color value next to color. All text, paragraphs and headings included are center aligned in the composite. To achieve that, type Text Align in the Property field and choose Center from the drop-down list. This looks good so far. Now we can address the deviations from this standard. The headings 1 and 2 are in italic in the composite, and heading 1 has a different color value. We can easily do this by styling the HTML element of the heading 1 and 2 respectively. Let's address heading 1 first. Highlight heading 1. In the CSS Designer panel, click the plus sign. Delete the compound until H1 or heading 1 is left. Under type category, we don't need to specify the font family because it inherits the value of the parent element. We only need to indicate what is different. Next to Properties, click on the plus sign. Type in Font Style and choose Italic. And next to Color, type in the hexadecimal color value. Now follows heading 2. Highlight heading 2 in the workspace. Click on the plus sign next to Selectors. Delete the compound until you're left with heading 2. Under Properties, click on the plus sign. In the Property field, type Font Style and choose Italic as a value. And because we want it less bold than its default appearance, under Font Weight, choose Lighter. Let's view the progress in a browser. This looks lovely. Dealing with the footer is next. Remember to frequently save your work.